The world just changed while we were sleeping. Hello and welcome to This Week in Markets. We were prepared to talk about India's blockbuster GDP data, but the global narrative has shifted to a war footing. Dalal Street is bracing for a Monday like no other. The single biggest headline: US President Donald Trump has confirmed the death of Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei in a massive joint strike called Operation Epic Fury. We can expect a massive gap up in oil prices on Monday. This is a direct threat to India's inflation cooling story and will likely see foreign institutional investors fleeing to the safety of US dollar and gold. The irony is that India's fundamentals have never looked stronger. Just after Friday's close, India dropped its Q3 GDP data, and under the new series, the economy grew at a robust 7.8%, crushing estimates. Manufacturing is the superstar here, surging 13.3%. Monday will be a brutal tug of war. Can India's growth withstand a global war? Dalal Street just witnessed a week of shocks. IDFC First Bank collapsed 20% after a 590 crore rupee fraud disclosure. Bharti Airtel, which slid 5% on news of a massive 20,000 crore capital outlay for its NBFC arm, saw its steepest weekly fall since December 2024. And Nifty IT, it just finished its worst month since the 2008 crisis, crashing 21% in February. The Anthropic versus Pentagon clash has investors terrified that AI sovereignty issues will destroy the traditional outsourcing model. The White House has designated Anthropic a supply chain risk, effectively banning them. But just hours later, OpenAI signed a massive deal with the Pentagon to deploy its models on classified networks. So what lies ahead? Get ready for a volatile shortened week. While we are going to witness an immediate impact of the Middle East crisis and GDP growth on Monday, both BSE and NSE will be closed for trading on Tuesday on the occasion of Holi. Watch for the US Fed Beige Book on Wednesday. If the economy is too hot, the FIIs won't be coming back anytime soon. Nifty has breached its 200-day moving average and is staring at the 25,000 mark. Is the 7.8% GDP growth enough to keep you in the game, or is the Middle East crisis your signal to move to cash? Let us know your moves in the comments below.